different place speak different language, but then is official is Spanish. No, it's the same day here because in Indonesia do same the different island.
Yeah,
Different
different language. So that's why sometimes, we must speak national language. In Indonesia, we can say bahasa Indonesia. That is national language. Yeah, to make our conversation easy.
Yeah, because in Indonesia we have so many island. Moreover, in language, one province we can say one culture, but there are so many languages. I'm from Japanese. I'm from Java. What is that? Province Java. So it means the culture is Java. This one from
Celebes.
Celebes.
And different culture, different, for example, traditional food. All of them culture different. So that's why. That's so.
And I'm
unique.
from Java.
Java.
It's the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yes.
Java. Yeah, it's Java exactly.
What is the language in Java? What is the language in you?
Okay, for example, if we wanna say in my speak, for example, good morning, you can say, what is that? For example, go there. For example, go there. Let's go there. Celap pananone.
Celap pananone.
But in Java language, if I can say go there, just Rono. Rono.
Yeah. So that's
different.
so
Just from
different.
languages. Moreover, traditional food and the traditional or etc. It's a lot different.
Traditional music too. What is the traditional food in
Oh,
Indonesia?
this one. I have the picture.
Yeah. I think
This one. You can see. This is a recommendation for us. This one, you can see. This one is traditional music in Java. This is gamelan. Did you ever?
gamelan.
Gamelan.
To put the
Gamelan. It is what is that? The music. But if you want to play this music with hammer. This one gamelan. So this is culture from Java. This is
Java.
traditional music, yes. Traditional music in Java, gamelan. And this one, the house in Java. The name is joglo. Joglo. So it's different from like now. This era is different, right, from the roof. It's traditional. But now we just still keep it. Some of us still use this house because we must know as well from our culture, right? So we can share to all of you to another word, two words. And this one also is a weapon, like sword, but it's in Java. The name is keris. And this one also has magic at the time. Before the generation is this one in Hinduism. We Indonesian Japanese people use this for war with some villain. So the villain has a black magic. So we are also have weapon has magic. So this is the encounter. I think you already know this one. You will know it. This one, the name is angklung. Did you ever hear? Angklung. Angklung is like there's music, traditional music from bamboo.
Okay, bamboo.
Bamboo. Do you ever hear
I
bamboo?
know.
Bamboo. So we just shake, and there is melody. There is melody.
Okay.
This one. So you can find this all of the picture. This one in Java.
Okay.
And the food as well. This one, my friends will explain it.
Yeah, actually, this is food like traditional food from my island. That is soto Makassar. Yes, last time I said Makassar. That is from South Celebes. This is from beef. Yeah.
Beef?
And
beef?
No, just only beef. The seasoning is like peanut. Yeah, with peanut and with soup. So this but for make it this, I think difficult. But for the taste is very delicious. I recommend it to you to eat if you go to Celebes, maybe you wanna go there. So because you know in Celebes there are a lot of tourism place. You may visit there if you want.
Okay.
And yeah, this
Satay.
is satay. You
Satay,
you ever
Gino.
try?
No.
Do you know satay?
Here no.
You-
I don't try.
Oh,
It's good?
Yes,
But-
yes,
Yes,
very
it's good.
delicious.
But do you like
Choose
spicy
right.
food or not?
No spicy food.
No spicy food. This one actually
Satay
Depend-
is spicy?
Depends on you.
Depends.
Depends on you.
Yeah, depends. You can say to the seller is spicy or not. If you doesn't like spicy, you can say I don't like spicy. It's enough.
Just a
You
video,
will get-
for example.
Mm.
You know, spicy. The seller will give you the sambal. You know sambal. Did you ever know about sambal? Sambal. No?
Sambal it's sauce.
Chili
sauce.
sauce,
Yeah.
chili
But
sauce, and tomato
yeah,
sauce.
yeah.
We have special sauce in fruit salad.
Satay is
Chicken,
Chicken,
can be rabbit too, rabbit, yes, and can be beef,
Beef.
and sometimes someone make it by snake.
Snake,
Yeah.
snake.
I don't know, but I never tried it. But I prefer to eat the chicken, satay chicken.
And my friends always tried pork.
Pork? Yeah.
Hey, there is. No, there is.
I think you can find this so easy to find this food because satay is popular in Indonesia.
Popular.
Exactly for satay Madura. It's very delicious.
satay
Madura,
Yeah,
yes.
the famous in Indonesia.
Okay.
Satay
And
Madura.
this is the third is nasi goreng or fried rice.
Fried rice? but
Yes.
is
Did you ever try it?
In Indonesia? No.
No.
Fried rice, no.
Because
But do you ever heard Barack Obama ever tried in his speech? He said satay, nasi goreng, and bakso. It means they are Barack Obama tried in Indonesia. Meatball, this one.
Meatball and
The cheapest,
Ah.
the cheapest and the delicious.
yes, delicious. And for this seasoning is very easy. You can add chili and then garlic and what's the
fried onion, right?
salad and
Salad.
if you have the third seasoning you can make it, and of course you must add salt
Yeah.
to make it delicious. So that's very easy to make it.
And
The last, yeah.
The last this is
Rendang.
Rendang.
This is beef too, from beef and from Minangkabau. For the taste like spicy, yeah.
it's spicy.
No, not really spicy because not a long time ago. But if I was back in my home, my mother always made for me because I like too much. I love that.
What did you prefer?
Of course, rendang and satay.
Satay? And
Yes.
you?
Of course, this
And you?
because easy.
I always try fried rice every
But
day.
which one you
Yeah.
will try?
You
Which
will
one
not try.
you will choose to try it?
Satay.
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 Alright.
And I think you can try this.
This in Indonesia, perhaps in Jakarta, the price 10,000 or 15. It is still worth it. The taste and the price and the taste is we can say it's combination, not really too far, but in Japanese it's more cheaper. It's cheaper
Yeah.
because you can buy just only
50.
No.
8,000 maybe. 8,000 rupiah or 6,000.
Yeah, around 7 until 10.
Okay.
7,000 rupiah.
In
So yeah, that is different because in Jakarta, as you know, right, the price is more expensive
Yeah.
than.
Yeah.
So it means satay is more cheaper in Java or
Okay.
in Madura. And this one, my friends will explain about tourism places.
in Indonesia.
Maybe
I
you
think
visit.
you will
I
visit
think
it.
if you want to visit,
Yeah, terus
No, my.
visit another Borobudur temple, you can visit some islands like Tobalag in West Sumatra and Nusa Penida Beach in Bali.
Nusa.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nusa
today the people recommend me Nusa is beautiful.
I don't know.
What plans I can make in Nusa?
You can try to snorkeling, diving, and
Ah,
What is Taipei?
diving.
diving.
Yes.
Diving.
And this is Raja Ampat Island in Papua. This is famous tourism place in Papua. And in another character, another Borobudur, I can see some of foreigner to visit there because a lot of people, some of give some opinion about Raja Ampat Island is like to Bali.
Okay.
So, which one do you prefer? I mean Bali, Raja Ampat in Papua. Which one do you prefer? But I have some pictures good. This one.
I didn't. I think
There is. Yeah.
no.
I am trusting you at the
Oh,
time.
last time.
Yeah.
Oh, for the brother.
This one is no. This one. This is very. This one.
Ah,
This is traditional food, traditional drink from Java.
yes.
The name is STMJ.
PMJ.
STMJ. So it means, what is that? STMJ stands for. S is from, what is that? There is ginger,
Ginger,
milk,
right?
egg.
Egg,
So and honey.
honey.
Yeah.
Ayahan.
Honey. So it means you can mix it, and their name will be STMJ.
Mixed to be one.
Yeah, mixed to be one.
What is the name?
S
CMJ in
S-
Java.
S
S
T
T
M
M
J.
J.
STMJ.
SMJ.
That's good.
This drink is famous drink in Java.
Yeah, this is if you are catch cold, you can drink this one. It will make your body warm, same as wine. But there is the traditional ingredient in Japanese, so it's easier to make. At the time, I was made by myself, and I can. My friend tried it. He said, "Oh my God, you're good. You can be a seller." How much you pray to me? How much I said like this. And this one, there's some places. Prefer is
This,
This is the
Labu
best.
Bajo.
You must visit this.
You must visit this one. This is the famous one in Indonesia. Labu Bajo.
In Nusa Tenggara Timur.
my-
Nusa Tenggara Timur.
Labu Bajo.
Labuan Bajo is the most.
Best things to do. Labu Bajo.
Nusa Tenggara.
Labuan.
Labuan.
Can you see the picture?
Labuan.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is Labuan Bajo. Yes.
That's
And did you ever hear about Komodo Island?
It's close.
Yeah, it's near
this
from
one.
this
Near
Labuan Bajo.
with Labuan Bajo. So if you are vacational here,
Mm-hmm.
vacation here, you can visit also Komodo Island.
Okay.
There is?
Yeah.
There. Got it.
Labuan
Labuan Bajo.
yeah.
If you have free time more, you can visit.
Visit.
Is the best place?
Yes.
Not I. Actually, most of Indonesia vacation is the best for me. For me, it's
Have you been there?
never. It's so far from Java.
You?
Near
My
with-
friend,
with
my friend, she is from Labuan Bajo, and she always told me about what is that her place, and say that Labuan Bajo is very good place because for you can find a lot of beautiful view there. For example, beaches, yes.
Yeah.
And this is near from Komodo Island. If you have been, for example, have you have been visit the what is that? The Labuan Bajo, you can go again to the Komodo Island.
But
If you
exactly this place?
Nusa Tenggara Timur.
Nusa Tenggara.
Different again, yes.
Yeah,
From
because
Java.
some foreigners just know about Bali, but they don't know really well about Indonesia. Actually, Bali is which part of Indonesia?
Yeah.
Because some foreigners I ever seen on Instagram, they said like, I know Bali but I don't know Indonesian. So that's why if some foreigners comes here, actually they must know about all of things in Indonesia, our culture, our languages, as well, and our traditional foods, tourism places, and mountain. Do you like hiking?
Yeah, I like it.
Bromo. There's a picture. There is no picture, but I can explain it.
Bromo.
Bromo.
Tomorrow I go to Bromo.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Just alone?
Like this picture.
This is
This
Bromo.
is what is that? This is famous mountain in Java.
East Java, yes.
The place is Malang, East Java.
Hmm. So it means near with us because we are from Kediri. Kediri, it's just 2 hours from Malang. If we will go to Malang, just 2 hours from our home.
Okay.
Yeah, just 2 hours. So yeah, but we are
The mountain is Bromo.
Bromo.
What is the city close Bromo?
the city. Yeah, Malang. Malang.
Malang is near city. from
Malang is it?
How
Malang.
long?
How long?
From
From Malang.
Malang
To Bromo.
Bromo.
I don't know for sure, but if maybe 3.
Maybe 1 hour.
Yeah, if
1 hour.
by
Just 1 hour.
cars or by motorbike, I don't know for sure. Maybe 2 hours is the long or 2 hours. It's middle of that. I don't know for sure.
Depends of the driver.
Because if we are from our home from Kediri, so yeah, we spend 4 hours. Say 4 hours by motorbike.
Okay.
By motorbike. So it means we are hiking there in the morning, and we can sunset. No.
Yeah,
Sunrise. I'm so sorry.
Sunrise and sunset.
Sometimes I forgot it. So you can, and we can take picture there. And there is also the good one is what is that? Another Bromo in near with Kediri is Kelut.
Yeah.
Kelut.
Mountain.
You can explain it, Sister Leila? Kelut.
Okay. I think I don't bring the picture, but I explain it. Kelut Mountain is famous mountain in Kediri.
What is the name?
Kelut.
Kelut.
Kelut Mountain.
Kelut Mountain.
Kelut Mountain.
Like this. So this mountain has
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, I never visit this, but my friend always go there. Recommended.
So, in Kelut Mountain is active mountain in Kediri, and around of Kelut has another tourism place like Sumbing Mountain is near from Kelut because this mountain is so near and beside Kelut Mountain, and the tourism place has a legenda. The legenda is Lembu Suro history. Lembu Suro history, right? Yeah.
Lembu Suro. It's like a man, but the head is buffalo. Buffalo. Do you know buffalo?
Oh, them buffalo.
Yeah. So the body is man, but the head is buffalo. Almost same as buffalo.
Okay.
The name is Lembu Suro, and Lembu Suro this is the story of Kelut. So the mountain Kelut has story the name Lembu Suro. Lembu Suro will marry with a woman, but the woman will agree of the engagement if Lembu Suro can make lake
for
in Kediri.
Okay.
So what's that? So Lembu Suro try to make a lake, but just one night. So, but the princess wanted the Lembusura is fail. So the princess wake up the chicken. So the chicken is like that. Nah.
How to say in Spanish about the if you wanna say like what is that chicken?
Yeah.
Cucuruyo or
No,
how?
is pio pio.
Pio pio.
Pio pio.
Okay.
Indonesia is
like the people, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why.
Yeah. So that's why when Lembusura heard that, this means they are failed. But Lembusura has known that is the princess because of the princess way he is failed. He was failed. So yeah, Lembusura was angry and throw what? Not throw, yeah, but what is the name in English? I don't know for sure, but yeah, they do something. He did something, and there is
He makes what is that? A treatment for Kodiri to be what is that? Driver, later to be a backyard, and Tulangong to be what is that?
and this one the mountain in this one. Oh, there is my friend. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. I'm
I
so
think you
sorry.
can add
This
your
one is the view of
right. You can practice.
this one. Sorry. This one, Colored Mountain. So good. The lake.
Wow.
This one the lake. This one the way. It's Kediri Mountain. So, but if you want to visit Bromo now, Bromo is more beautiful than before because some accident has happened.
Yeah.
So the grass in the mountain Bromo was burned. So that's why in the government throw watering the grass. But yeah, it makes
New planes maybe.
not actually
Price.
was burned until become
All
Yeah.
of the planes, there is no planes
There is no
because
planes.
of burn, because of the fire.
But after
Okay.
after
Yeah.
that, because of Bromo, because of mountain has so many mysterious. I can say mystery magic. I can say magic. So the plants or the grass so fast growing up, and now it's so really good. My friends mostly will go there again and
And the
again.
park is so more and more green than before.
Yeah, this one I have the picture from
Yeah, okay, interesting.
Bromo. What is that?
So, do you really like mountain, or which one do you, if you wanna go something, for example, which one do you prefer?
Depend.
Beach or mountain?
Depends because, for example, when I was in Nepal,
Uh-huh.
but in Nepal is only mountains.
Bromo.
Okay, it's
Picture Bromo.
hiking,
No, in your
but
phone.
then
Yeah.
maybe it's both. Depend. For example, when I was in Philippines, is only
Good.
is only beach. But it depends
Depends of
the place.
The place. Oh yeah.
But in Indonesia, I don't know what choose. Okay, mountain
Or
beach, mountain beach. Okay, I mix maybe both. Okay.
But
what
in
about that?
another mountain and what is that? Beach. You can visit. You can try visit a waterfall because in Indonesia, not only have a mountain
Mountain and beach,
and beach.
but also
Waterfall.
or if you are like what is that in Malang, flying fork,
Yeah, flying fox.
flying fork, or what is that waterfall? There is also in Malang. So if you are visited Malang, you must try waterfall. Then you must try hiking as well. Don't forget it.
Yeah.
And the last is what's that the name? Flying fork.
Okay, maybe the mistake is the people only think about the Indonesia is only beach. It's Bali,
Yeah,
Bali,
yeah,
Bali,
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 Bali.
Bali, only Bali. When
Yeah.
okay, when I arrived to Jakarta, okay, Bali is my objective. Okay, is my last place. But the okay, maybe the temples, maybe
yeah, yeah.
Bromo, waterfall.
yeah.
It's a lot of
Yeah.
This one
options.
was accident in Bromo, but now already good. This one was
Burn.
burned
That is has
because of
has been
some couple has been engagement or has been married,
pre-wedding.
pre-wedding,
Pre-wedding.
Yeah.
but
Doing
brings
pre-wedding with
bring
fire, yeah.
flare,
With
bring
flare.
flare,
Yeah,
and
flare.
because of the grass is was kinda dry, so yeah, it's easier to burn, right? So that's why it's now burned like this. So the government watering with a helicopter,
Okay.
but now already green. This one,
New
Yeah.
plans because
This one.
yeah.
You plan and more
this one,
more
Bromo.
fresh than before. Wow.
This one now become green like this.
So like new.
It's a new like
Okay, is there the reason because you say the mystery?
Yeah, the what is it? The villagers there believe if there's something like
Myth.
Mr. Magic like that. Yeah, but yeah, depends on the people. Do you wanna believe that or no? Yeah.
because this one also as well the background of Borobudur. Because we don't know right at the time who was built this temple. Maybe are not human because of the stone of the stone of built Borobudur temple is so heavy to human what is that to pick up to, yeah so
To break.
I didn't percent big and this one the Prambanan yeah this one the story I have known Prambanan it's almost same with the Musuro but the differences is the prince will marry with the princess must make about 1,000 temple in a night.
Same as the
Prince is his name is Bandung Bondowoso.
Bandung
and the
Bondowoso.
princess, her name is Roro Jonggrang.
Roro
right?
Jonggrang. Roro Jonggrang. So the about that Bandung Bondowoso actually will finish at us almost 4 em o'clock 4 em. But the princess wake up the chicken also as well.
same as the
Same as but so Bondowoso what is that ask to the what is that ghost because Bandung Bondowoso has a ghost many ghosts to build the temple Prambanan. Yeah, so that's why when the chicken was scream, so Bandung Bondowoso has stopped. I mean the ghost have back to their their nature. And then when Bandung Bondowoso what's that said like oh my god I'm failed and the ghost what's that tell to the Bandung Bondowoso if he failed because of the princess. So Bandung Bondowoso like cursed the princess to become a temple the one. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, actually will finish because of 999, but failed because of the time is not enough.
so that's why the
Bandung,
boy.
yeah, so that's why the Bandung Bondowoso cursed the prince,
prince.
become the 1,000.
Yeah. So
This is the story of
Yeah.
Bandung Bondowoso.
from the what is the villagers?
Story
Yeah.
of
Mhm.
Bandung Bondowoso and the legend of Prambanan Temple.
Mhm.
And the place is in Semarang, Central Java, near what's that? Near from Jogja.
Okay.
If you talk about what is the tourism place or a culture in Indonesia, how about in your country?
Yeah,
Can you tell
Because-
about?
Can you tell?
Yeah,
I-
I'm curious
yeah.
about
and
your
we
country.
are interested to
Spanish.
Spanish,
Spanish?
right?
How to say? Spanish or Spanish?
Spain.
Spanish.
Spain.
No, Spain is the city.
Spain is the city.
Oh,
The language is Spanish.
Spanish. Also for the country, Spain. No?
Spain, the country is Spain, is in Europe. Spain, but in Europe and Spain speak only Spanish. In Europe, Italian, French, in different language.
Italian pizza.
In South America, the people speak Spanish, but Colombia, Peru, Middle or Central America, Mexico. But in Brazil, the people speak Portuguese.
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 The same
Cristiano Ronaldo.
the Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah. I just know that.
Oh, it is.
In America, in South America, is the religion is maybe the principal religion is the Catholic.
Catholic.
In Indonesia, what religion is the
Mostly Indonesia
mostly?
Muslim.
Muslim.
Yeah.
Muslim.
Muslim.
Muslim. Yeah, it's Muslim. You can say Muslim.
Muslim.
Is only religion? Or
No. There
There
are
are,
a lot of.
There are 5 or
religions.
6 religion in
Yeah.
Indonesia, but mostly the citizen Indonesia Muslim. Yeah, I can say 70% Muslim.
But in Bali,
Bali is
in
like
Hindu.
Hindu.
Yeah, yeah.
Hindu, because there are many temples like this, right? Yes, yes. But if Bali is sometimes, I don't know for sure because I never visited Bali. Maybe next I will visit because I like traveling as well. So that's why-
visit Bali, and in Bali, some of people, what is that? A lot of people to religion of Hindus, and in Bali is famous of floor dance. The name is yoga.
Yoga. I think yoga
yoganya?
yoga same as
but there is difficult. Is a lot of work.
Because what's that? Floor dance. The name is yoga. Is the famous floor dance in Bali, and no, in the Bali, some of people like an Indian people, because
Okay.
in Bali the first priority of religion is Hindus.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I think that's enough. I got a lot of experience, and I can tell to my mom if I can speak.
Me too. I will send.
Why?
Mm,
Why did you learn English?
English.
Actually, for me,
For you, okay.
Yeah, I will continue my study. But for get the scholarship, I must know about English, right? So that's why I come to Java to study English. And my mom always asks me, "What are you doing there? Give me the what is that? The
Proof.
video if you can speak English." So that's why.
So, how about you? What do you study English? Maybe Miss want to know that? Yeah.
In my opinion, I want to study English same as her, because in next year I want to continue my study in famous university in Surabaya, East Java.
University.
Yeah. In sorry. And
Surabaya.
university is the name is Erlangga University, and
Surabaya.
yes,
Surabaya.
Surabaya is Java, and Erlangga University is my dream university for continue my study.
Okay. Thank you.
Me? Actually, some friends of us laugh if I said my dream, but
Yeah.
I will continue my college in Oxford.
Wow.
Oxford or Harvard.
Oxford.
Yeah. If the third choice is Turkey. Turkey. So yeah, I studied about English because of I will continue till college in Oxford and Harvard. Yeah, I will study more deeply about English and took IELTS. Yes.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you want to talk about?
We will talk about our culture in Indonesia. Maybe you know well about Indonesia, right?
Okay. Nice.
So what tourism places did you visit?
How many?
How many?
Places.
Tourism place.
Okay. I visited out of Thailand. I started in Bali.
Oh,
Bali,
We
okay.
went to Ubud. Later we went to Nusa Penida.
Nusa.
Nusa Penida. Nusa Penida. Yeah.
Sorry for. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
For us, it's Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida.
And later go to Komodo, Flores,
Flores,
Labuan
yes,
Bajo.
Labuan Bajo is very good, yes.
Yeah. Now go to Borneo.
Borneo.
Yeah. Now we are here. But first we started in Bromo, Vulcano.
Oh, yeah.
From Ijen.
It's Java, yeah.
Yeah. And come to Surabaya.
Alright.
Surabaya, no, sorry, Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta.
Jakarta,
yes.
is in Jakarta.
Have you ever been visit my hometown that is Solabes? Do you know Solabes?
Sulawesi.
No.
Sulawesi.
No.
Oh.
No.
We don't
But
stay
you
there.
ever hear Makassar?
Yeah, Makassar. Yes.
Makassar.
Makassar, what does it mean?
Makassar is city that in Sulawesi province, and the culture is near with what is that? Sumatra, Labuan Bajo.
Okay.
I'm from there.
It's near.
Yeah, because
But it's in Flores, in Flores Island.
No.
different island. That is
Ah,
Solabes.
okay.
Solabes.
Okay.
Because we have in Indonesia have has 5 island, right? That is Solabes, Borneo,
Yeah.
and Papua and Java and what is that? Papua.
Bali.
Borneo.
Borneo.
Yeah, Borneo. Last time you ever go there? Which part did you?
I visit only the national park.
National
to see
park.
orangutan. Yeah.
I
But I
Actually,
don't
my-
know which exactly is the park.
Yeah,
Sorry.
but my grandmother was living there, was staying there since I was born.
Okay.
So my grandmother is Central Borneo. Exactly, is Sampit.
Okay. We went in a wedding. It was very nice. So I want to show you my.
So do you really like traveling, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh.
I love it.
How often do you traveling? In a year, maybe, or a month?
How many days? Or
No.
sorry,
How many times?
How many times in a year?
Mm-mm.
I try to travel a lot.
A lot.
Yes. For example, now I'm traveling around 4 months.
For months.
I started in China in December and later go to Sydney to Australia to celebrate New Year's
I
Eve.
see.
Yeah. And went to Cairns to diving in the
Diving.
Great Reef. And come to Indonesia. Now I'm here, and the next week I will go to Brazil
Brazil.
and later to Argentina to visit some friends. Come back to Spain and later to Sri Lanka. Come back to
Oh
Spain.
my gosh, it's that.
I think that
It's
it's
my
enough.
dream.
for
It's my
this.
dream because I like traveling too. But yeah, I'm still thinking about my scholarship later because my purpose what I studied English because of I will continue my college or my school in Oxford.
Okay,
My place
nice.
or Harvard.
Oh, nice. It's very difficult.
I hope-
I think.
Yeah, I hope I can.
Try it.
I tried. Never try, never know, right? Never try, never know.
Okay, it's nice.
Did you ever take the video when you go around in the world, for example, in Indonesia?
Did you make it vlogging?
Vlogging on YouTube?
No,
No.
I only
Just-
do some pictures for Instagram or
Oh,
something
for
similar,
Instagram.
but my friends maybe yes they make more videos. for
Mm-hmm.
the
Alright, it's
followers.
like celebgrams. And,
Yeah,
yes,
but
I
I didn't like it.
So, how many times do you have visit Indonesia?
This is my first time.
Oh, first
Yeah,
time.
it's my
How
first
about
time.
Indonesian food? Traditional Indonesian food.
I like it. I like it, but it's very spicy.
Yeah,
It's spicy. It's very
For
difficult.
some native speaker, it's spicy.
Yeah, but for us, obviously for our stomach, it's very strong. For example, one of my friends, she can
Yes.
eat any spicy.
Any spicy.
Yes, because he can take it, and he needs to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, often than before. Yeah.
But the food is so good. We love it. Some fruit. We tried here orambutan.
Yeah. Only rambutan only. Only rambutan.
No, but for me, it's my perfect
How about
fruit. My
durian?
favorite fruit. Sorry.
Durian. Did you
Durian.
ever
Durian is the big one.
Yeah.
I didn't like it
We didn't like. You didn't
No.
like it.
because the smell is very strong.
It's strong, really strong.
Did you ever try it?
No, me no, but my friends yes.
Because if you tried it, I think you will like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because-
But you ever
I
tried and
want
you
to try because I think the same as you, and
Yeah.
I think the flavor I think it's going to be happy me. But I think the smell is terrible.
Really
Yeah,
strong.
Yes, it's very strong.
Really strong, and some
You eat a lot.
said weird. What's that? Because of the fruits. So what's that? Sharp. The shape is sharp. So they said it's a weird shape, weird fruit because they haven't. What's that? No one well in Indonesia so many fruits.
But for example, the rest of the food, it's a good food. Right?
How about our
Obviously,
cultures?
in Spain, we use. I'm from Valencia, and Valencia is a small city in Spain. It's
And
near to the sea.
official language is
It's Valenciano.
Valenciano.
Really not. Their official language is Spanish, but we have another language only in my province. It's Valenciano. It's very similar than Catalan. It's their two languages very similar, but depends on the place. It's different accent.
Different
But it's the
accent.
same.
Is in your country there has what is that language? English.
In Spain,
Yeah.
the official language is Spanish.
Oh, just
Yes,
Spanish.
and for us it's very difficult. Well, we learn English in the school always, but
What about your tourism place in your
sorry, how?
how about your
Yeah, it's mean
tourism place
Okay.
in your
country?
My okay.
Your country?
We have a lot of tourists, obviously.
Yeah.
Yes, for example, in my city, in Valencia.
Valencia, what's
Now in March we have a typical party. It's a local party. The name is Fallas. We
Fallas.
build some sculptures, and on 19th of March we burn it to celebrate the arrival of spring.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yes.
every
And
year.
this is the reason because I come back to Spain on March. And later
Oh,
go
because
to
of
Sri
that
Lanka.
event.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm curious about this. What is that? In your country, there has like, is there what is that? Winter?
Winter, yes. We have 4 seasons. Yeah.
How many seasons?
We have 4 seasons.
4 seasons.
Yes.
Four
for
Because
us-
in Indonesia only 2 seasons.
Yeah, we know it.
Ah.
And it's too hot. The rain season is like nah.
Oh my god, it will burn. If you don't use what is that, sunscreen, it will
Yeah.
burn
Oh my
your
God.
face, your
But
body.
it's nice because now in Spain it's winter.
Yeah.
And for us we
Oh,
are
now it's
here.
winter in
Yeah.
Spain.
And it's very cold now, like 5 degrees or something like
5
that.
minus.
Yeah. No. Yeah. 5 degrees. 5 centigrade. I don't know what can I say in English. How degrees?
Minus.
You use centigrade or Fahrenheit?
What? Celsius.
Celsius?
Celsius.
Okay. For us the same. Celsius.
Celsius.
And for example in Spain now it's for around 5 degrees.
Around 5.
Yeah.
It's very
Very
cold.
cold.
It's very cold, bro.
And now we are here, me and my friends, and we are 36, and it's like, okay, I like it.
You like this?
But you-
Yeah, I love this weather. For example, in Spain, we have a lot of difference between people who love winter and people who love summer. And I prefer summer, obviously, always.
Bella, can you ask something?
Because you love winter season, what do you want to doing something for the winter season in your country?
What's your routine? Yeah, what's your routine?
What we do in
In winter season,
What
because
is
we
it?
never
For us,
know.
yeah, for us it's very close in your mind because it's the moment to relax.
Yeah, to
During
relax.
summer,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
During summer, we are all time in on the street, doing a party with friends, drinking, and during the winter, we try to stay at home
Stay
more
at home.
quickly to recover, to relaxing,
Yeah.
How about
take
work?
energy.
How about work? How about work?
Ah, no, we continue. Yeah, we
Still continue.
Yes, of course, we continue working, but the work is the same. The work during the winter, during the summer, we work the same way. We have holidays. You have 21 days of holidays per day, per year. Sorry.
One day,
So, 21 days. 21 days. And you can take it all together or separate. and a lot of people take their holidays during our summer, and it's July, August, and September. So sorry guys, but I need to go.
Okay,
So
that is
sorry.
enough. That is
Okay.
more enough. Good enough.
Your child speaks perfect
Alright,
English.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
In Spanish,
Yeah.
muchas gracias.
Muchas sorry?
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Muchas gracias.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Bye guys.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Okay.